Hello, warm greetings from SRWS once again to all the well-wishers, ex-students of the school, to the teachers, and to all the ex-teachers too, and all the residents of Sri Nagar, and all those who are connected with SRWS. Here's wishing you all a very happy new year and a very auspicious Makara Sankranti and happy Pongal to you all. I come before you once again after my earlier appeal and the appeal put out sometime in September, which was to meet the deficit that the school envisaged due to the current pandemic situation. First of all, let me thank you for the wonderful response that all of you gave towards contributing to the school and to reducing the deficit. In fact, as of today, we have received 56 lakhs of rupees from nearly 252 people, which works out to nearly 70 to 75% of the total deficit that we expect. So when we closed the accounts as on 31st December, after taking into account some of the fees that we expected would not be received were actually received, and the contributions that we received, we find that we are close to rupees 31 lakhs as our current shortage that is expected to be till April 2021. This shortage of 31 lakhs is the amount foregone by the teachers and other sub-staff from their salaries. It is heartening to know that many of the teachers, when we found that fees are not coming, they agreed to work without pay. It was very generous of them. So with this appeal, I exhort the alumni and the teachers and the ex-teachers who are watching this video to kindly contribute your best so that the teachers who are working so hard are paid their salaries up to April 2021. It would be our way to show that how much we value them and we are grateful to them. It's not at all a difficult target once we look at it in the perspective of 250 people contributing nearly 58 lakhs of rupees, and what we need now is only another 31 lakhs from the rest of the 5,000 plus alumni who are out there in the world. I'm sure you will not let this opportunity go by to help the teachers and SRWS to get back on its feet. We hope to have normal working of the school from June 2021, and we seek your blessings and good wishes to help SRWS reach its financial goals and educational goals too. Thank you once again.